Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to update your CoinZoom app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the Play Store app. So once you tap on the Play Store app, you need to go and tap on the profile icon on the right hand side of the corner, and then simply tap on the Manage Apps and Devices. Once you tap it on, you need to go and tap on Updates, and there you need to search for your CoinZoom app. So once you find your CoinZoom app, all you need to do is simply tap on it. So once you tap on your CoinZoom app, you will be seeing uninstall button and open button. However, if the updates were available, instead of open, there would have been the update button. By pressing on update button, you could have updated your CoinZoom app. Hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.